Are you in desperate need of a good night's sleep? Well, you have come to the right place. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share 5 game-changing sleep tips for your little bundle of joy. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Don't engage in stimulating activities like playtime or loud music before bedtime, as it can make it harder for your baby to settle down. So, create a soothing bedtime routine by dimming the lights, giving a warm bath, and reading a bedtime story. This cues your baby that it's time to wind down and sleep. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones that support physical development and contribute to healthy growth and development in infants. Create a safe and comfortable sleep environment. Don't let your baby sleep in an adult bed or on a soft surface, which increases the risk of suffocation or accidental rolling. So, use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet in a crib and remove any suffocation hazards like pillows or blankets. Sleep plays a vital role in brain development. A well-rested baby is more alert, attentive, and capable of observing new information. Are you enjoying my video? Then it's time to like my video. Respond to your baby's sleep cues. Don't keep your baby awake for long stretches, as overtiredness can make it harder for them to fall asleep. So, watch for signs of sleepiness such as rubbing eyes, yawning, or fussiness, and create a calm and quiet environment for sleep. Sleep strengthens the immune system, helping to protect babies from illness and enhances the body's ability to fight off infections. Practice safe sleep positioning. Don't put your baby to sleep on their side or stomach even if they seem more settled in those positions. So, always place your baby on their back to sleep, as it reduces the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. When a baby is well rested, they are more likely to be calmer, happier, and better able to cope up with emotions throughout the day. Monitor your baby during sleep. Don't leave your baby unattended or out of sight for long periods, especially during sleep. So, always keep a close eye on your baby while they sleep and respond promptly if they need comfort or assistance. Sleep helps babies recharge their energy. It also helps regulate their appetite, making sure they eat when they're hungry and stop when they are full. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. And leave a comment below with an additional sleep tip you have for newborns. So don't forget to subscribe for more on parenting and hit that notification bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.